Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the hidden gems and breathtaking destinations around the world. Today, we have an incredible adventure awaiting us in the land of ancient wonders and rich culture. That's right, we're taking you to Iran. Join us as we unveil the top 5 places you must visit in Iran in 2023. Let's get started. Our first stop on this journey is the magnificent Niavaran Palace, located in the heart of Tehran. This opulent residence was once the summer retreat of the royal family. As we explore its lavish halls and beautifully manicured gardens, we're transported to a time of grandeur and elegance. The palace is a true testament to Iran's rich history and architectural brilliance. Next up, we have the iconic Golestan Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Tehran. This breathtaking complex dates back to the Qajar era and showcases a mesmerizing fusion of Persian and European architectural styles. From its mirrored halls to its intricate tile work, every corner of Golestan Palace is a feast for the eyes. It's a must-visit destination for history and art lovers. Now, let's head to the unique village of Makhunik in the eastern part of Iran. This village is like stepping into a different world altogether. The houses here are built in a distinct style, with small doors and low ceilings, giving the village a whimsical and enchanting feel. Exploring the narrow alleys and interacting with the friendly locals provides an authentic glimpse into the local culture.
Salam. Hi.
Our journey now takes us to the ancient city of Persepolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the greatness of the Persian Empire. Walking through these majestic ruins, we witness the grandeur and power of a civilization that once ruled the world. The intricately carved stone columns and majestic gateways leave us in awe. It's a truly humbling experience. Last, but certainly not least, we venture to the mesmerizing beauty of Sar Agha Seyyed in the heart of the Alborz Mountains. This hidden gem offers breathtaking views of lush valleys and cascading waterfalls. The crystal-clear streams and tranquil atmosphere make it an ideal spot for nature lovers and hikers. The untouched beauty of Sar Agha Seyyed will leave you in awe. And there you have it, our top 5 must-visit places in Iran for 2023. From the opulence of Niavaran Palace to the ancient wonders of Persepolis and the hidden gems of Makhunik and Sar Agha Seyyed, Iran offers a treasure trove of cultural and natural wonders. We hope this journey has inspired you to pack your bags and embark on your own adventure to this incredible country. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting travel explorations. Until next time, happy travels!